Why the Buddha ordained the rain retreat. In the early days of Buddhism, monks traveled year-round to preach the Dhamma. However, the Buddha instituted the rain retreat, a 3-month period of staying in one place during the rainy season, due to the following reasons. Damage to crops. Traveling during the monsoon meant stepping on and destroying young crops and vegetation planted by farmers. Harm to tiny creatures. The rain brings out many small insects and organisms, which were accidentally trampled on by monks as they walked. Public criticism. People began criticizing the monks, pointing out that even birds settled down during the heavy rains, while the Buddha's disciples continued to wander. To prevent harm to living beings, respect the local farmers, and maintain the public's reverence, the Buddha laid down the rule for monks to observe the rain retreat. Primary duties of monks during the Vassa. During these 3 months, monks pause long-distance travel and focus on their spiritual and community responsibilities. To do meditation and mindful practice, to study Dhamma and teaching, and then guiding the laity to offer Dhamma talk.
Gacchami